In today's fast-paced industrial world, safety is paramount. Every second counts when it comes to protecting lives and preventing accidents. Introducing Geospatial AI for industrial safety, a revolutionary solution that takes safety to new heights. With our Geospatial AI platform, you can track and monitor assets in real time, ensuring they are within designated safe zones. Our cutting-edge technology creates virtual boundaries using GPS and RFID, giving you complete control over asset safety. Imagine your workers receiving instant alerts the moment they enter restricted or hazardous areas. Geospatial AI provides timely notifications, empowering your team to take immediate action and prevent potential risks. Our platform seamlessly integrates with your existing safety systems by combining geofencing with IoT devices, automation, and sensors. We create an intelligent safety network that keeps your operations running smoothly while safeguarding your workforce. But it doesn't stop there. Our Geospatial AI platform collects valuable data that drives intelligent decision-making. Gain actionable insights into asset movement patterns, utilization rates, and safety trends. Optimize workflows, improve efficiency, and enhance overall safety practices. Join leading industrial companies who have already embraced Geospatial AI for industrial safety. They have experienced significant reductions in accidents, increased productivity, and greater peace of mind knowing their workers are protected. Geospatial AI for industrial safety, where cutting-edge technology meets unparalleled safety. Contact us today to revolutionize your safety protocols and safeguard your workforce.